You're over 60, and mornings don't feel the same. No spark of vitality, no strength to start the day. You worry about poor circulation, maybe even your prostate, but you don't want risky pills with side effects. Online, every ad screams about miracle drinks, yet most leave you confused and disappointed. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, and in this video, I'll share the truth. 3 natural Viagra drinks simple, science-backed recipes you can make at home that support blood flow, boost testosterone, and help you feel young again, safely and naturally. When Thomas, a 67-year-old grandfather, sat in my office, he sighed and said, "Doctor, every morning feels the same now, quiet, drained. I've tried different pills and powders I saw online, but nothing really works. And honestly, I'm tired of swallowing more capsules. Is there something simpler, something natural?" His frustration is common. Many men over 60 want their energy and vitality back, but they don't want risky prescriptions or overpriced supplements. What most don't realize is that the answer doesn't always come in a pill. It can come from what's in your glass. Drinks are one of the fastest ways to deliver nutrients into the bloodstream. When blended or juiced, the vitamins, nitrates, and antioxidants are absorbed more quickly, giving the body the raw materials it needs to restore circulation and support testosterone. For those new here, my name is Dr. Evelyn Hart. I'm a board-certified urologist with over 25 years of experience helping men in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. I've seen time and again that when men replace complicated supplements with simple, nutrient-rich drinks, their energy begins to return in a way that feels natural and sustainable. That's why in this video, I want to show you 3 natural Viagra drinks recipes you can make at home with everyday ingredients. No gimmicks, no exotic powders, just whole foods blended into powerful combinations. Each one is backed by science, designed to boost nitric oxide, improve blood flow, and gently support your hormones. And here's the encouraging part: these recipes aren't just effective, they're simple. In just a few minutes in your kitchen, you can create drinks that nourish your body and wake up your mornings with strength again. Let's get into the recipes. The first drink is a simple watermelon, lemon, and honey smoothie. Blend 2 cups of fresh watermelon, the juice of half a lemon, and a teaspoon of honey. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, which your body converts into arginine, a direct precursor of nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. Lemon adds vitamin C, which supports blood vessel health, and honey provides quick natural energy. It's refreshing, hydrating, and a gentle way to start the day with circulation in mind. The second drink is a beet, apple, and ginger juice. Use 1 medium beet, 1 crisp apple, and a small slice of fresh ginger. Beets are nitrate powerhouses. Once in your body, nitrates convert to nitric oxide, boosting endurance and lowering blood pressure. Apples add natural sweetness and antioxidants, while ginger improves circulation and reduces inflammation. Together, this juice doesn't just wake up your blood flow, it can also leave you feeling more alert and energized throughout the day. And here's something most men don't realize. The second recipe is actually used by athletes to improve stamina. If it works for them, imagine the benefits it can bring to your mornings after 60. The third drink is known as golden almond milk with turmeric and honey. Warm 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, stir in half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey. Almond milk provides zinc and healthy fats to support testosterone. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that protects blood vessels and eases joint pain. Honey not only sweetens, but also stabilizes blood sugar at night. Taken in the evening, this drink calms the body, supports recovery during sleep, and helps you wake up with renewed energy. Each of these drinks is simple, affordable, and backed by science. They don't promise overnight miracles, but when added to your routine, they can nourish your body, restore blood flow, and gently bring back the vitality you thought was gone. Now that you know the 3 recipes, the next question is, how do you actually use them for the best results? Because the truth is, these drinks aren't magic if you only try them once. Their power comes from using them consistently and pairing them with the right habits. Start with the watermelon, lemon, and honey smoothie. This is best taken in the morning, right after waking up or before breakfast. It hydrates your body, raises nitric oxide levels, and gives you a natural energy boost to start your day. Van Menauersgester. Mornings are when circulation is naturally sluggish. This drink is like giving your body a gentle wake-up call. The beet, apple, and ginger juice works beautifully before activity, whether that's a walk, gardening, or light exercise. Drink it mid-morning or early afternoon, and you'll notice more stamina and less fatigue. The nitrates from beets can start improving blood flow within hours, making it a powerful support for daily circulation. Just one glass, 3 to 4 times per week, is enough to see real changes. And here's something encouraging: many men who tried this noticed not only better energy during the day, but a quiet return of their morning vitality after a few weeks. Finally, the golden almond milk with turmeric and honey is perfect as an evening ritual. Drinking it 30-60 minutes before bed calms your nervous system, reduces inflammation, and gives your body the nutrients it needs to repair overnight. Sleep is when testosterone and blood vessels regenerate, so supporting your body before bedtime makes the effect even stronger by morning. But drinks alone aren't the whole story. Pair them with a short daily walk, resistance exercises twice a week, and regular sleep. Avoid smoking, excess alcohol, and late-night heavy meals that blunt your hormone recovery. These small shifts multiply the impact of your drinks, turning them from helpful recipes into a true lifestyle tool. Because the real secret isn't in any single drink, it's in creating a rhythm your body can trust, day after day, that quietly rebuilds your strength, energy, and confidence after 60. So here's the lesson. If you're a man over 60 and mornings feel weaker than they used to, you don't need to rely on risky pills or waste money on miracle claims. The truth is, nature has already given you powerful tools. A watermelon smoothie with lemon and honey, a beet and ginger juice, and a golden almond milk with turmeric. These aren't exotic secrets. They're simple, affordable, science-backed recipes that support nitric oxide, improve blood flow, and gently encourage testosterone. But remember, the power of these drinks isn't in trying them once, it's in making them part of your rhythm. Morning hydration, midday circulation support, and an evening ritual for recovery. Together, they create a steady cycle that helps your body restore what age tries to take away. Combined with movement, sleep, and balance, these drinks can help you feel young again, not just for a day, but for the long run. I've seen patients who thought their vitality was gone forever, only to feel renewed within weeks of adding these habits. And the same can happen for you, starting with something as simple as what you drink each day. Now here's your next step. Don't stop here. In my next video, I'll share the hidden risks of so-called natural Viagra after 60 and the safe way to use it without harm. This is the information no supplement ad will ever give you, but every man over 60 should know. Click below or check the description to continue your journey with me. And if today's video gave you clarity, leave a comment and share your story. You may inspire another man who's been silently struggling just like you. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your diet, supplements, or lifestyle.